My house. My house is my home. It is where I feel safe and happy. I love my house very much. It has many rooms and a nice yard. I spend a lot of time here with my family. Let me tell you more about my house. The outside of my house is painted in a light color. The front yard has grass and flowers. I like to play in the yard. There are trees that provide shade. In the spring, the flowers bloom and add color to the yard. I help my parents take care of the garden. There is a small path leading to the front door. The path is made of stones. I like walking on it. It makes my house look welcoming. My house has a porch where we can sit and relax. We put chairs and a table on the porch. It is a nice place to enjoy the fresh air. When you enter my house, you step into the living room. The living room is cozy and comfortable. It has a big sofa and a coffee table. There is also a television where we watch movies and shows. Sometimes we have family movie nights. We enjoy popcorn and snacks while watching together. Next to the living room is the dining room. The dining room has a big table. We eat our meals there. I love family dinners. We talk about our day and share stories. It is a special time for us. The kitchen is one of my favorite places in the house. It is where my family cooks and bakes. The kitchen has many cabinets and a big refrigerator. We store food in the fridge. There is a stove where we cook meals. I like to help my mom when she makes dinner. Sometimes I bake cookies or cakes with her. It is fun to mix the ingredients and watch them rise in the oven. The kitchen also has a small table. We can eat breakfast there if we want. I like to sit at the table and have my cereal. The kitchen is always filled with good smells when we cook. I have my own bedroom. It is my private space. My bedroom is painted in my favorite color, blue. I have a bed, a desk, and a bookshelf. My bed is soft and cozy. I like to read books before going to sleep. I have many books on my shelf. The desk is where I do my homework. I keep my school supplies in a drawer. I like to have a clean and organized space. It helps me concentrate. My bedroom has a window that lets in natural light. I like to open the curtains and enjoy the view of the yard. My parents have their own bedroom. It is bigger than mine. They have a king-size bed and a walk-in closet. My parents' bedroom is a calm and peaceful place. They have their own bathroom attached to their room. It is convenient for them. My sibling has their own room, too. Their room is different from mine. It is painted in bright colors. They have posters on the walls. My sibling likes to play games and listen to music in their room. There are 2 bathrooms in our house. One is in the hallway and the other is in my parents' bedroom. The bathroom in the hallway is for everyone. It has a shower, a toilet, and a sink. We keep our toiletries there. I like to take long baths on the weekends. It helps me relax after a busy week. My parents' bathroom is larger. They have a big bathtub where they can soak. I like to use their bathroom when I want a bubble bath. It is nice and spacious. My house also has a basement and an attic. The basement is where we keep extra things. We have boxes of old toys and clothes. Sometimes we play games in the basement. It is a cool place during the hot summer months. The attic is a little dark and dusty. We store seasonal decorations there. We keep our holiday decorations in the attic. When the holidays come, we go to the attic to find the decorations. It feels like a treasure hunt. The yard is an important part of my house. It is where I play and relax. I have a small garden where I plant flowers. I like to watch them grow. There is a swing set in the yard, and I love to swing high in the air. My friends come over to play in the yard, too. In the summer, we have barbecues in the yard. My family and I grill hot dogs and burgers. We eat outside and enjoy the sunshine. It is a fun time with family and friends. My house is not just a building. It is where my family and I create memories. We celebrate birthdays and holidays here. We have family game nights and laugh together. We also support each other during tough times. My house is filled with love and warmth. I feel safe in my house. It is a place where I can be myself. When I am home, I can relax and recharge. I enjoy spending time with my family and friends here. I dream of making my house even better. I want to add more plants and flowers to the yard. I hope to create a small vegetable garden. Growing my own vegetables would be exciting. Inside the house, I want to decorate my room more. I would like to add more bookshelves for my growing collection of books. I also want to paint the walls with fun designs. I dream of having a pet in the future. A dog or a cat would be wonderful. I want to create a cozy space for them in the yard and inside the house. Conclusion: my house is special to me. It is where I feel happy and secure. I love the different rooms and the yard. I enjoy the time spent with my family. My house holds many memories and dreams for the future. It is not just a place. It is my home. I am grateful for my house and everything in it. It is where I grow, learn, and play. I look forward to many more happy moments in my house.